Kalanchoe is a member of the succulents family with 125 known species. The plant was brought to Europe in around 1930 and bred by German seed merchant Robert Blossfeld. Nowadays it is a popular houseplant because of the enormous choice of colors and shapes and the easy maintenance routine. This species is one of the most recognizable, usually known simply as Kalanchoe. This commonly cultivated houseplant is native to Madagascar, where it can be found growing in plateaus and mountains. It has naturalized in China, India, North, Central, and South America, the West Indies, and on many islands in the Pacific Ocean. Because the species is cultivated worldwide, its current distribution range is probably wider than the range reported here. Leaves are fleshy, dark green, and scallop-edged. The small flowers appear arranged in dense clusters. The classic Kalanchoe flowers consist of 4 petals that form a tubular-shaped flower. The flowers can be red, yellow, orange, pink, purple, white, and a variant of these. Kalanchoes are relatively easy to grow, and the flowering varieties are highly rewarding for their color and their long-lasting flowers. They prefer bright, sunny locations, especially in summer growing season. During the winter, consider a south-facing window. Water moderately throughout the summer, and reduce watering in the winter. Let the soil surface dry out between waterings, and in the winter the plant can almost dry out. Watch the fleshy leaves for signs of water distress. Yarrow, lavender, salvia, and rosemary are great flowering herbs to grow alongside many succulents like Kalanchoes. These herbs take the same conditions as most ground-planted succulents. Kalanchoe and its benefits is well documented throughout the gardening world. This plant has many perceived medicinal uses, including treating insomnia, arthritis, anxiety, and depression. It also strengthens the immune system, detoxifies the body, and improves mental health.